precision, experience, innovation. Magnum. We are Magnum Machining, your ideal partner in manufacturing. Since our founding in 1994, we've been dedicated to creating world-class products that exceed our customers' expectations. Specialists in CNC machining of iron, steel, aluminum, and brass castings, we manufacture products for diverse industries worldwide. From prototype to production, Magnum is both globally competitive and cost-effective. At our mirror facilities in the United States and Mexico, we stand ready to deliver for our customers. Perfectly positioned for dual sourcing and strategic distribution, our operations include a combined 200,000 square feet of manufacturing space, warehousing, and storage. Right from the beginning, you'll see that continual improvement and leading-edge technology are in our DNA. Magnum offers fully integrated computer-aided design, engineering, and manufacturing. Each contract service is customized to meet your unique needs and implemented by our expert management team. Horizontal machining, vertical machining, live tool turning. Magnum owns and operates over 75 CNC machining centers that aid us in creating precision parts, both small and large. When you work with Magnum, craftsmanship is assured. We are proud to provide a safe, clean environment where every team member is responsible for process and product standards. Our ISO certified quality system and NIST traceability, combined with robust gauging equipment and constant monitoring to guarantee consistent and exceptional results. We work with our customers from start to finish, developing lasting relationships by providing on-time, customized, best-in-class solutions. Around the corner and across 5 continents, Magnum Machining delivers for you. For more information, visit magnummachining.com.